Greetings and welcome to my new calculus channel. My name is John Gabriel. So today I'm going to be talking about the derivative as defined by mainstream idiots and mocking their stupidity. Let's begin. Now, you'll often see this sort of crap written in textbooks and by math lecturers or calculus lecturers and teachers, and they kind of feel really intelligent when they do this. But there's a good reason why they do this. Well, the reason is that they never actually understood calculus or the reasons why it works. Okay. So, and the problem here is that they didn't bother to find a rigorous formulation. They just simply accepted the nonsense that Cauchy and Weierstrass and others tossed at them. Okay. So, um, first of all, there are so many reasons why this is wrong, but one of the funny parts is that it's introduced and written in many different ways. You might see this here also written as f prime of x. Okay, that's another variant, and then there's even yet another variant, which is the limit of this delta y to this delta x. Delta x approaches zero. So several different variants of this bullshit that you see here. Okay, it's total bullshit. And the reason you don't need limits in calculus is that you have what I discovered, which I've called the historic geometric theorem. That explains why you don't need limits and why it works. Okay, so what does the historic geometric theorem says? It says f of x plus h minus f of x over h is equal to f prime of x of h. Now, by the way, this is just a function, you know. Mainstream idiots are terrified when they see this. They say, oh, if the derivative is defined. Listen, any function you're given, if you can differentiate it, it may or may not be differentiable at certain points, but that's irrelevant. You still get to differentiate it. Okay. So it does exist, plus the difference. Okay. Plus the difference. Like that. Okay. So the reason you don't need limits is that this here can simply be ignored. And what happens is when you decompose this quotient, you have the derivative and the slope difference. That's why you don't need limits. This is garbage. Okay. So, two articles that you need to study for homework. One is called My Historic Geometric Theorem. I'll give you the link to this, and also the Holy Grail of Calculus. Okay, which is that, which gives you both the derivative and the integral. If you're not already a subscriber to my new calculus channel, please subscribe. Oh, did you notice there was an H is an element of R there? This I hate the word sophistry, but this is what their sophistry is about. It's not even necessary to mention that, you know. But anyway, it makes them feel smart, and they love these little diagrams where they can, you know, do this sort of thing here. They're idiots, basically, total and complete blundering morons. So become a subscriber to my channel, click like, follow me on Academia.edu, and I'll be chatting with you again soon. Bye bye.